Hey guys, Mr. R here, and in today's video, I'm going to review agree or disagree statements. And you've been working with these a little bit in our task boards lately, and I wanted to help you out and clear some things up. Now, when we ask you if you agree or disagree with a statement, we need you to do a little bit more than just give us the words I agree or I disagree. So when you're working on these, do not just give us those couple of words. And I'll show you what we would like. We need a complete sentence. So giving us one word, we need more than that. And again, in this video, I'm going to show you what this looks like. But I'm going to tell you three rules, three things you need to make sure you can check off when you are answering an agree or disagree statement. Use a complete sentence. Use part of the question in your answer. And use evidence from the text for support. So you need to be able to back it up. You can't just say, I agree or I disagree. Now I'm going to show you how that should look. And I'm going to use one of my favorite books, The Truth About Poop by Susan E. Goodman. I've got a little excerpt here that we'll read. Poop warfare. It's a dog eat dog, bug eat bug world out there, and poop is often a weapon in the war. Ugh. Some animals use it to trap dinner, others to avoid being dinner themselves. It hardly seems fair the assassin bug, who loves the taste of termites, uses the termites' own droppings to trap them. Huh. It covers its back with termite poop and waits for the next poor termite looking for a toilet. That's disgusting. So it puts termite poop on its own back and then waits for another termite to come poop. Pretty gross. And also kind of ingenious. But here is the agree or disagree statement. The assassin bug enjoys having termite poop on its back. And I'm going to switch so I can look at the text. Now I've got this word here in the agree or disagree statement. I see the word enjoys. And in the text, I see the word loves. Okay, so those are synonyms. They are related. The assassin bug, who loves the taste of termites, enjoys termite poop. Okay. I don't know that it enjoys the poop on its back. I think it enjoys the taste of termites. So what is the poop on its back? Where does that come in? And then it covers its back with termite poop and waits. So I believe that I disagree with this statement. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to show you what this looks like. And I'm going to use a complete sentence, evidence from the text, and part of the question. I'm going to start with I disagree. So I'm not finished. I've given that I disagree. Now I'm going to use part of the question in my answer. So the statement says that it enjoys termite poop on its back. That's what I disagree with. So I disagree that the assassin bug enjoys termite poop on its back. And I'm going to put a period, but I'm not finished. So I have used part of this statement. He enjoys the poop on its back. I've got that here. I've used a complete sentence, but I still need evidence from over here. I need evidence from the text to support my answer. I'm going to erase here to kind of clean this up a little. Okay, so my evidence to support, to back me up that I disagree. I disagree that it enjoys having termite poop on its back. And I need to explain why. The text states that the assassin bug loves the taste of termites. And you can see that that comes from right here. Loves the taste of termites. I disagree that the assassin bug enjoys termite poop on its back. The text states that the assassin bug loves the taste of termites, not that it enjoys having poop on its back. Remember, for an agree or disagree statement, please use a complete sentence, use part of the statement in your answer, and use evidence from the text to support it. So yeah.